So, good morning everybody, how are you? What a wonderful day again. Look how stunning this place is. Unbelievable. How privileged we are to work here, huh? and you of course, having a property here and living the lifestyle. So, let me show you the new update on this apartment here in Mijas Costa. Past week we did one of the most dirtiest processes you can have on a workplace like this, which is plastering all the walls, but the end result is there, and you can start seeing how your apartment is going to look. So let me show you. Good, here we go. So what we did last week basically is plastering all the walls, means hiding all the imperfections of the walls we have. That goes also for the whole of the ceiling in this case. It depends if the wall is in a good shape or not, or we build another wall. This process has to be done. It hides also all the cables. Today we're measuring the heights of all the four ceilings we're going to place here as well, which means that all these electrical wiring and pipes will be hidden as well. So this is where the kitchen is going to be. All the water pipes are being insulated acoustically, so that's because you can't hear the water flowing from the other apartments or the neighbors. Some of the walls have to be perfectly leveled, like this one, because this is where the actual kitchen starts, going that way. So as you know, when the kitchen has to be installed, it has to be level because the wooden plates, they're straight, so any imperfection you'll see when you place the wood. So this is an important wall, one of the most important walls of the whole of the apartment, believe it or not. But now you can see the shapes where we're going to later put a little wardrobe in here. And then all the pre-installation or the ducts for the air conditioning is already there, and the first machine has been installed. All the wiring, electrical wiring and plumbing already has been done, so that's done. And you'll see the shape of this apartment when we start with the full ceilings next week. In the next update, then you have a really feel that the apartment is nearly finished, although still a lot has to be done. Here you can see where we actually extended the wall. We created this toilet. The pre-installation of the toilet is already here because it's hidden. Here we have enough space to put a little wash basin and a little mirror. Obviously the pre-installation of the sliding door is here. And the ducts of the air conditioning, and here we always see that the machine is already installed. This is the master bedroom bathroom. Now you can see with the pre-frame for the window. Again, in the end we decided to have a sliding door here. We didn't have anything in this bedroom, but in the end the client decided just to have a little door because we also have a toilet and everything is open towards the bedroom. So it is wise to have a nice sliding door, doesn't take up much of the room. The pre-installation of the toilet. Here we're going to have a really cool round shower. We're going to build a little bench here. And that's about it. Like I said, smoothing of the walls is one of the most important things, because when we start painting and because of the shading and the lights coming through, any imperfection you'll see. So it's important to have those walls done by professional and very, very, very straight and well done. So here you go. Next week another update. Have a good one.